Hey guys, what is up? Joyride Jonathan here for his first debut on YouTube. I have a TikTok, which is at Jonathan Sexton 93. If y'all want to follow me over there as well, that would be awesome. And you'll probably see a big part of this video today on TikTok, so I can keep the people happy over there as well. I want to make everyone happy with my videos and take people's minds off of, don't do that by the way. Don't do what I just did, that was stupid, but hey, it's fine. Today I just want to introduce y'all to me and my channel and what it's going to be all about. This channel is going to be about family, friends, and just having outright fun. My name is Jonathan, and I'll need a name for this community. If y'all want to help me out in the comments, let me know what y'all would like to be called or some ideas for names and stuff. I'm a shenanigans kind of person, so I do random like fun stuff. Oh, red light. And I just have fun. That's all I'm about. And if you can't deal with that, not my problem. I won't cuss technically on this channel, but on my TikTok y'all may hear a bit of cussing, which is completely normal. I'm not against people who cuss or anything, but yeah, so let's go out, enjoy the ride, see what trouble I can get into today. Who should I go pick on today? Oh, come on. I won't squeal today. Come on, my tire normally always squeals. Dance. Oh, and also guys, I love to dance, so y'all may see me moving and grooving, but that's why. So also, let me know if y'all want me to try out new views and perspectives on my bike, like a GoPro up here or looking back at me, or one on the back of my bike. I am down to try anything, and I think it would be really fun to have those different perspectives for both YouTube and TikTok. So we'll see how everything goes. Come on, no, don't you do it. I swear to God. God damn it, light. I'm gonna have to bleep that out already. I am not gonna sit here and wait. I am sorry, lady, but behind me, but also, for people who have been doing motorcycle vlogs and everything for a while, can y'all give me a helpful hint about how to set my mic up for riding and stuff, so I don't have to leave my visor open while I'm riding? That would be absolutely awesome. Because right now I'm freezing my ass off. But it's all for the grind, right? All for the grind. Oh, Jesus. God, I love this bike. It's days like this that just make me want to freaking dance around and have so much fun. Woo! I'm in neutral. Go, 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 go. Made it. Woo, workers. Gotta give people a good show. Oh, that was funny. Okay, let's see who's over here in good old Railroad Park today. And I may go and try to meet up with a friend and do a social distancing ride because of laws and stuff. Come on. Woo. Come on, I want to go. Yay. for things to start opening up again, man. It feels good to be back out again. I don't see much social distancing, people. You little bitch. Oh, that made me mad. If you see a biker, do not get in front of him. Oh. And do not stop either. That is also another thing, unless there's someone in front of him, which then I can completely understand. Nope, no one's in front of him. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Interesting. Ooh, pupper. Every time. Even though I tell myself not to. Oh, this bus doesn't know where he's going. I don't think. Does he? Does he? Does he? No, he does not. My sunglasses are ramming my nose. That sounded way too wrong. Sorry. Ah, you're going the way I was wanting to go. Slow buses. Oh, come on. Oh. Why are buses even still? Call me. Millions recovered. Yeah. Can I do a burnout right here? Hold on. No, won't let me. Hold up. No, it won't let me do it today. God. Damn it. I wanted to do a burnout and look at myself in that mirror. People are just gonna have to wait for a second while I do that. Do that. Let's not talk about how I almost lost control there. So on my TikTok, it's mainly just a bunch of random clips that are probably going to be from here and my YouTube channel as I go along. I know the quality of this video is probably going to be crap, but that's what I got for the time being. Until I can figure out a better setup for myself and what I want to do and what style vlogger I want to be, then we'll just see how it goes from there. So, riding in Birmingham, stop signs every freaking few minutes, but it's fine. Everyone loves them. Oh, you wanna go? You wanna go? You lost. Don't race me. I'm a speedy boy. Actually, now that I can run it, I do need to be over. Oh, don't kill me. But today is the days that I love riding around. It makes me so happy to be out on the road right now. And today's a beautiful goddamn day. And I wouldn't want to be anywhere but on my bike today. I couldn't miss it more. when I lost my bike that few days, or that 7 months where it was wrecked, I could not find anything or stand to do anything without it. I know that sounds kind of petty and all, but it is what it is. I love this bike. It's my family just as much as my actual family. That is running the red light. No, I'm not letting that slide. Dumbass. Hold on. What is going on back there? Oh, it's bikers. I hear another motorcycle somewhere, but I'm not going to deal with that. But don't be idiots and run through red lights, because that's what gets bikers like us killed and keeps us from being safe. You know who you are if you are that kind of person. I mean, don't get me wrong, I've run through red lights before because I was in a police officer's vehicle and they were trying to get me to somewhere that I needed to be. But don't be that kind of person that does that just with no proper reason or cause, because that's how you hurt or seriously injure yourself and the people else, other people on the road. Oh. Almost to my favorite place to do a speed run, boys, and I'll drop a few gears and let's go. Oh, I just went back into neutral for no reason. Bop, 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 bop. Beep, beep. God, I miss riding with my friends. Shit because of my visor. Oh crap. Bleep, I mean. Oh. Stalker mode engaged. I saw another biker. It's been a while since I've seen another biker out on the road. It's kind of nice. Do I want to turn here? I'll turn here, why not? Don't hit me, 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 don't hit me. Don't stop in the middle of the road either. Okay. Okay. Everything's still tinted. I'm wearing sunglasses and the visor. Oh, with all the rain that happened last night, I didn't think it would be such a pretty damn day, but it is. I need to stop cussing, but it's just so natural. Not that that's a good thing. Kids, don't cuss, please. It doesn't make you any more cooler than you already are when you're riding a bike. With that being said, please do not use me as an example of how to ride, because I ride like I want to ride. Everyone's going to ride how they want to ride, and I choose to ride having the most fun, and sometimes that is not the safest thing to do. So yeah, that's what happens. She's vibing.